you have 0 subscribers on your YouTube channel and you're wondering what are some hacks that I can grow it, right? And that was a reference to my money gun, which has no money coming out of it because I have no subscribers, right? You can't make any money if you don't have any subscribers on YouTube. But I'm going to go over kind of I've been doing YouTube for about a year now, and I've grown my channel to a little over 170,000 subscribers. I'll be going over a number of different hacks that you can do to help get your videos to have them get more visibility. More YouTubers are coming on to the market every single day. It's a really popular way to build a business. It's a great traffic source. It's a great way to get trust. It's a great way to sell products. It's really just a great way to add value to the world as well. But in order to get from 0 subscribers up to the point where you actually have an audience is so freaking hard. It is hard, and I feel for you. But I'll be going over a few ways that you can help give yourself a bit of a competitive edge if you are a YouTuber to grow your channel, make more money. These are things that I've done, and they work very well, so I hope you enjoy them and check it out. There we go. There we go. There's the money. And it's because you put in action these 4 different hacks to make money on YouTube. Now, if you're excited for YouTube money, if you're a YouTuber, let me know in the comments. Type in YouTuber, and I encourage each other, support each other's channels. Support each other's channels. This video only. Usually I don't allow people to say sub for sub, but if you're a YouTuber, just type in YouTuber down below. I'd love to see what some of you guys are working on, or gals. Now, one of the first hacks that you can do is actually just doing outreach. If you're providing valuable content, is reach out to bloggers or other people that are in your niche and ask them to embed your video. This is a very easy tactic. If you have a video that adds some value to so-and-so's blog, reach out to them. If you're showing people how to do wild animal traps, right? That's one of the channels I like. Sean Woods, I think is his name. Shows all these wild animal traps, and I kind of live in a bit of a rural area of Los Angeles, so we have to trap some animals, wild animals, and I love that. And I'm sure there are a lot of bloggers out there that don't have any videos to accompany their wild animal trap stuff. So reach out to those bloggers and say, hey, I think this video would provide value for your audience. I shot it. If you'd like to embed it, let me know. Here's the embed link. That'll be a very easy way to reach people, and it helps your visibility in YouTube, because if YouTube sees that you have a lot of embeds, if a lot of people are embedding your video, it's an indicator to YouTube that you have a valuable video. And not only will you get traffic from that person's blog, but YouTube will also see that as an indicator that you are a valuable YouTuber, and they will give you more traffic. And all it takes is a simple email, just like what I said. Now, another real simple thing, and this is not many people are doing this, but is to subtitle your videos. So subtitling your videos to allow people in other languages to read them better. Now, one thing you might not know about my audience is only about 25% of the people that watch my videos are from America. And by the way, if you're from a country other than America, which is where I'm based, obviously, type in the comments below what country you're from. I'd love to hear what country you're from. YouTube is a very international platform. People all around the world are using it to learn, to grow, to entertain themselves, and just to laugh. So using subtitles is very helpful to people who English is not their first language. Helping them, whether you put your video in German or French or Spanish, most of the content is being produced in English, and other countries haven't totally caught on to, there isn't as many YouTubers in all these other developing countries. And yes, I'm calling Europe a developing country, shameless American right here. So subtitling your videos helps other people catch on, and also YouTube sees that as well as an indicator that you're taking time to really populate their platform, to add value to people. It helps both your views, it helps you get in that coveted suggested video column on the right side, and it helps people like your videos more because they can understand them better. The third little hack is, if you have an email list, make sure you leverage it. Send people the links, every week. Send people a recap of what videos you've produced on your channel, or tell people to subscribe to your channel. Give people a reason to watch a particular video. This will help out dramatically, especially if you have a large email list. It'll be an easy instant way to grow your subscriber base and keep people engaged. You can use YouTube and you can talk to people in YouTube and tell them to subscribe to your email list. And if you get people subscribing to your email list, keep sending them back to YouTube. This actually goes back into one of the biggest factors that YouTube looks at. I mean, they look at 3 big factors. I'm not going to go too deep into them here, but they look into 3 things, okay? They look into watch time. Obviously, they're looking at how long people are watching your videos. If people are watching your videos for 30 seconds and then bouncing out, YouTube's going to say, this guy doesn't offer a lot of value. I shoot for above 4 minutes is good if you're in a teaching niche. Above 5 minutes is stellar if you're in my niche of YouTubers, which is the education or the how-to niche or the make money niche, whatever you want to call it. So watch time. The second factor is session watch time. So what session watch time means is it means how long are they spending on your channel. So for instance, if you watch this video for 10 minutes and then you watch another video of mine, such as my other 6 easy hacks to become a YouTuber, pretty long 25-minute video where I break down my entire sequence of how I grew my channel from 0 to 170, and it's a really long video, and you can check it out. It displays the process front to end, what topics to pick, how to pick a niche, etc. I suggest you watch that video, but let's say you watch this video and that video, my session watch time would be 35 minutes long, and that would be a really good indicator to YouTube, and they'd say when people watch this person's channel, they want to watch more videos on YouTube, and the more videos people want to watch on YouTube, the better, the more YouTube favors you and puts you in that coveted suggested videos column. But I still didn't really go over the third factor yet, which is how does email help that, or how does getting people on an email list actually help that, and sending them back to your video. Now, this goes into the third big factor for YouTube in giving your videos some love and giving you subscribers and giving you views and putting you in the suggested video column, which is the send back rate. Are people returning back to your channel on their own to watch your videos? If people are coming back to YouTube specifically to watch your videos, it means you've built a community. It means you've built an audience, and people are literally returning to YouTube just to watch your videos. Now, if you return to YouTube just to watch my videos, let me know in the comments. Just say, hey, I'm in the community. Love for something like that, because I'd love to know how many people here are coming back to watch the videos. It's really cool building an audience over this past year and teaching everyone. I love you guys, and I hope everybody continues to help each other out with kind of money making and marketing and growth tactics in the comments. And one thing I'd like to see more from my community is help each other out. I've been in the comments a lot, responding to everyone, but I only have so much time in a day. So if you know stuff that can help out other people, if you know the answers to simple questions that people are asking, I get a lot of questions like, I'm 13, can I make money online? Just respond to them and say, yes, you can. John's covered this in previous videos. Now, the last way that you can start growing your YouTube channel is really leverage. If you have any other social platforms, or if you have a blog, make sure you put your links in your blog. If you're sending out emails, put the link to your YouTube channel in your email signature. Put the link to your YouTube channel in Facebook, although Facebook hates that. Put it in your other social channels. Put it in your Instagram profile, whatever you can do, so that more people come to your channel. And the more YouTube sees that people are coming to YouTube specifically for you, the more love they give you, and the more you will build your entire thing. Now, marketing in 2020 is moving to a more omni-channel approach. Omni-channel, what does that mean? It means that marketing is no longer just about doing one silo of just blogging or just vlogging or just Instagramming or just Twittering. It means that using these channels to all help each other. When somebody goes on your blog, you add them to an email list, then you have them join your Facebook group, but then you have them subscribe to your YouTube channel. It means combining all of the different marketing elements to create a cohesive whole. And I'm a one-person business, right? I don't have any employees. I'm able to do this, and it doesn't take a lot of time. There's a lot of automation tools that can allow you to do this, but building that multi-channel approach into your business will help you in spades. So thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the chat which one helped you out the most. Embeds, subtitles, email, or blog? Which ones are you doing, you know? But let me know which one helped you out the most, and I'll go deeper into that in a future video. Make sure you subscribe as always. Like this video if you got some value. Looking forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.